Hello my friends, today I want to show you how to install new windshield wiper blade on your W210. Here is the new part, original one. I have got it from Germany. You can see the part number. And I want to say that this wiper blade is made in Romania. Now I will try to remove the old one and show you how to install the new one on its place. So my friends, now let's remove the old windshield wiper blade from my W210. The job is the same for many Mercedes cars which are equipped with such system. I mean one windshield wiper blade. Now let's remove it. For this you must push this locking button and then do the following action. Push the wiper blade forward and remove it from this hook, very gentle, and that's all. The windshield wiper blade is removed now, and we are able to install a new one on its place. Here is the new windshield wiper blade, and now let's try to install it on the car. For this you must connect this blade to the hook. Be very gentle, push the hook inside the plastic attachment point on the wiper blade itself. When they are met, then you must push the wiper blade back, I mean to your side, driver's side, and then push the locking button and lock the mechanism to secure it. And that's all. The windshield wiper blade is installed on the car, and here you can see how the system looks like. In overall, there was nothing wrong with the old wiper blade on my car, but I think the new one will work better. It has newer rubber on it, and that's why I changed this blade. Now here you can see how attaching point looks like. I'm trying to show you details about it. The installation process is very easy and simple if you be very gentle and careful in this case. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, thumbs up, and catch you in the next videos. Goodbye.